Since 1985, Anshuman Tech has been at the forefront of innovation in educational and technical training equipment. What began as a vision to empower learning has today grown into a global brand trusted by engineering colleges, polytechnics, vocational institutes, and science universities worldwide. For over 25 years, we have proudly maintained ISO 9001 certification, a mark of uncompromising quality and rigorous international standards. Year after year, our processes, products, and people have been audited, improved, and celebrated for excellence. Along this journey, Anshuman Tech has earned numerous awards for product innovation, manufacturing excellence, and customer satisfaction. Each recognition is not just a trophy, but proof of our commitment to advancing education through technology. What truly sets us apart is our global presence. Anshuman Tech is not only an Indian manufacturer, we are a proud exporter to many countries across Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. Our products are packaged and documented in globally accepted standards, with instructor guides and student workbooks designed for universal use. This ensures that no matter where in the world our systems are delivered, they create a seamless teaching and learning experience. Our product range is vast and diverse, with more than 2,000 training systems across electrical, electronics, mechatronics, control and instrumentation, and telecommunications. We ensure every learner and instructor finds a solution that is practical, reliable, and future-ready. What makes us unique is our continuous investment in research and development. Every product is born out of deep collaboration between our engineers and educators, ensuring technology remains accessible and user-friendly. Our 208-page full-color catalog is not just a product list. It's a technical compendium. It reflects years of innovation, countless hours of development, and our mission to make high-quality training systems available at globally competitive prices, equivalent to European standards, yet proudly manufactured in India. At Anshuman Tech, we don't just manufacture didactic training systems and CTE products. We build trust, we deliver excellence, and we empower the next generation of engineers and innovators worldwide. With a legacy of 4 decades, 25 years of ISO excellence, award-winning products, and a relentless spirit of innovation, with DSIR-recognized R&D, we are proud member of World Didactic Member and also World Didactic Award winner. We continue to stand as your reliable global partner in technical education. Anshuman Tech, excellence through innovation, quality, and global reach.